class. Okay? So maybe some of you already know my name. My name is Mark Leslie C. Reyes. I'm already tagged on your SIS. So you can visit your SIS for confirmation. So ngayon, di pa tayo magde-discuss. What I'm going to do is I will orient you what are the coverage of our subject matter and what are those topics to be discussed for the whole semester. Okay? So but before that, ayan, mag-roll call muna ako ha ng mga pangayo. Okay? Para hindi na natin uulitin yung ating mga class rules and regulations. So, please raise your virtual hand and say present in case man na matawag kayo. Okay? Alarilla, Ryan.
Present po.
Okay? Alviar, Gabriel.
Present po.
Okay? Andaya, Maria Eliza.
Present po.
Okay? Aquino Sofia Angel.
Present po.
Okay? Carieli Aaron. Aaron o Aaron ba to?
Present po, sir.
Para mga familiar kayo sa akin ha. Castillejo Christine.
Present po.
Katumber Francine.
Present po.
Kusyo. Kusyo ba to? Kusyo.
Present po.
Okay. Eusebio Angel.
Present po, Angela.
Okay. Angela pala, sorry. Thank you. Fabul Maria Andrea.
Present po.
Okay. Gandol Kayla Marie.
Present po.
Ibanez Nicole.
Present po.
Okay. Jardine Carl. Jemilia Kenneth. Jemilia Kenneth. Wala siya. Okay, siguro wala. Lim Julia.
Present po.
Okay. Lumaban Jaira. Lumaban Jaira. Wala. Okay, nandito. Baka wala lang siyang sound. Magnoan Margaret.
Present po.
Marciano Margie.
Present po.
Okay, Misterio Braille.
Present po. Blight po.
Bright, sorry. Thank you. Noriega Karen.
Present po.
Olivario Maria Elaine. Olivario Maria Elaine. Wala. Pederes Carl.
Present po, sir.
Present,
Present po.
Okay, so andyan pala si Olivario. Picardal Royce.
Present po.
Rabaca Marion. Rabaca Marion. Okay, nandyan
Present.
siya. Reyes, Anto, Irthriel,
Present po.
Rosal, Jameline,
Present po.
Suryo, Angela May,
Present po.
Tabon Kate Dorothy,
Present po.
Tagle Princess,
Present po.
Yanila, Tenila, Bea,
Present po.
and Jojo Mark Jason.
Present po.
Okay, so may dalawa tayong hindi nakita.
Sir, present po, Emilia.
Okay? Sige. Ayan, meron bang hindi natawag bukod dun kay... Sino ba yon? Nalimutan ko na agad. Ayan, paki-confirm na lang sa ating department kung ano yung talagang section nila. Okay? So, magkakasama tayo sa buong semester. At sana wala na dumagdag sa inyo. Okay, kung 36 kayo, sana 36 na. Ayan. So, ayan. Let me share my screen first for the orientation. Ayan, pakibaba na po ng ating virtual hand. Baka mangalay kayo. Okay. Share. So, na-estudyante ko na ba kayo before? Sino dito na estudyante ko na before? Meron ba? O wala? Additionally, magkakaklase ba kayo sa block o hindi? Halo-halo kayo na estudyante na
Yes
nagsama-sama.
po.
Okay, so I will advise na gumawa kayo ng group chat, pero I will discourage you to add me to the group chat. Okay? Para at least kapag mayroon akong mga announcement is mabilis nyo siyang ma-realize sa lahat. Okay? So ayan, so our subject, syempre, I would like to welcome you kasi last time is wala pang laman. Last time I checked the SIS, walang laman na estudyante. Then I follow up Ma'am Ria, then saka siya nagkalaman, and the initial number of student is 13. So akala ko masaya na ako na 13 lang yung estudyante ko. However, pagtingin ko ulit is naging 30 na siya. Okay? So, ayan, sana hindi na tayo madagdagan hanggang 36 na lang. Why? Kasi pag sobrang dami, medyo mahirap din. So, one of my classes is yung 65 sila. Okay? Biruin natin yun. They are overcrowded. Okay? So, ayan, ang our subject is personal finance. So, giving you a brief background kung ano ba yung personal finance, siguro ito madali kayo catch up. Sino ba dito may mga existing savings account? Paki-thumbs up nga. Okay. Sino-sino? Ayan, may dalawa na. About the others, ayan, madami naman sila na may savings account. Okay? So, to give you additional points, syempre, nagbibigay tayo ng additional point to those, pero hindi ako nagre-require. Okay? Magkaiba yon. Hindi ako nagre-require na in case wala kayong savings, mag-open kayo ng savings. No. What I'm going to do is every time you will deposit to your savings account, ayan, ipakita nyo sa akin. Okay? Yung proof. Every meeting, I will give you additional point. Okay? Perhaps one. Kapag nabuo nyo yun, meron na kayong basta madaming additional point to sustain you from passing this subject. Okay? So, kasi pag personal finance, we are most probably looking on how are you going to manage your finances kahit estudyante pa lang kayo. So, maybe ngayon is you are dependent kung ikaw man ay scholar ng magulang to your parents. Okay? Or kung scholar ka ng mga government agencies, ayan, so you are dependent to them. Ayan. Okay? So how are you going to manage? Ayan. So kapag nagtrabaho na kayo in the near future or maybe you're a part-time student and part-time worker. Ayan, so alam nyo na kung paano mag-manage ng finances. Okay? So, let's move forward. So, that is the overview of personal finance. Kaya, I think hindi naman kayo siguro babagsak dito kasi most probably is iisipin nyo lang kung paano ko ba to i-apply sa sarili ko. Ayan. So, maybe may mga mahihirap na portions like yung mga liquidity. Ayan. Pero, always, the common sense will guide you. Okay? What are my classroom rules and regulations? Siyempre, number one, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, during the online class, we have to observe the proper online decorum. Okay? If you want to say something, raise your hand so that you will be going to be acknowledged sa ating klase if you want to say something. The number two is always open your camera during the online class. Ayan, so I require everyone to open their camera during the online para makita ko kung anong ginagawa nyo. Okay? So, make sure that your internet is not intermittent. Ayan. So, kaya ko to sinasabi ngayon is that by next time na magkaroon tayo ng online classes, I don't want to hear any excuses. Okay? Paki-jot down ng mga rules and regulation na yun. Next is no traveling or no multitasking. So this is not for my safety but yours na bawal ang nasa biyahe or nasa kung saan-saan. Ayan. Okay? This is good for 3 hours. So in the period of 3 hours, dapat is nagkaklase lang tayo at this designated schedule. Ayan, hindi naman natin yun i-exceed. Okay? So kindly monitor that particular rules and regulations. The violation of which rules and regulations is syempre from time to time nagche-check ako ng mga violators. Okay? So hindi ko na kayo kailangang i-inform regarding your violation because ahead of time sinabihan ko na kayo kung ano-ano ba yung mga dapat at di dapat nyong gawin. And kapag ginawa nyo pa rin, then you will be counted 1 violation up to 3. Okay? So kapag naka-3 kayo, I will inform you. Then, ayan. It's either you will earn deduction, okay, to your grade. Basta yun lang naman yung sanction. Okay? So, especially yung nagta-travel. So, kaya, lagi kong hina-highlight that my rules is given ahead of time is para iwasan nyo. Okay? Or para mapaghandaan nyo. Ayan. So ano pa ba? From time to time naman, every hour na lumipas is nagbibigay ako ng break. 5 minutes break, 10 minutes break for you to have your refresher, bathroom break, or anything kapag online and face-to-face as well. So ganun ako para to give you time. Okay? Na magkaroon ng refresher or kung nahihilo na kayo, ayan, uminom ng tubig, mag-CR, and so on. Okay? So that is my classroom rules and regulation. In case naman of academic dishonesty, so our guiding principle will be the handbook. Pero I believe for my since 2018 when I teach is wala pa naman ako na-encounter na dishonest. Okay? So the handbook will prevail in case we need to punish the students who have academic dishonesty. Okay? As usual, your teacher is also subject to that rule. Ayan, in case man merong punishable on my action, ayan, so let me know. Okay? Pero ahead of time, I give classroom rules and regulations para maging aware kayo. Okay? May question ba? Clarification? Malinaw ba yan? Paki-thumbs up nga po. Paki-thumbs up. Ayan. most of the time, additionally, during the class discussion, most of the time, I'm just flashing like this. Yan, very virtual. Okay, parang mga bata, di ba? So, it is your responsibility to take or jot down notes. Okay? Ayaw ko nung estudyante na hihingi na lang sa akin, "Sir, pwede pong pahingi ng presentation." No. No. So, the responsibility of the student is to listen and take down notes. Okay? So, dapat hindi ako ano ng, "Sir, pahingi po ng lesson nyo." Pahingi na po ganun. So, kung ganun na lang, ibigay ko na lang sa inyo at huwag na tayong mag-discuss. Basahin nyo na lang. Then, mag-exam na lang tayo. Okay? So, my prescribed book for this subject is no particular. So, everything that is related to personal finance, pwede nyong gamitin. Okay? So, maliwanag ba yun? Paki-thumbs up nga po. Yes? Meron bang nagtataas ng kamay? Na itaas lang. Okay. So, malinaw yun. Yes? Sorry. Yeah.
Question lang po regarding dun sa sinabi niyo na hindi po kayo nagbibigay ng PowerPoint. Pwede po ba kami mag-screen record during your time or hindi po pwede?
Pwede kayo mag-screenshot pero not record.
Noted, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. Thank you. Ayan. So, we always adhere to the data privacy pa rin. Maybe some of you are not willing to share their information. Ayan. So, in case man na meron tayong discussion regarding personal opinion, okay? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa mga student ko. So, don't take that against that person. So, whatever we discuss inside the classroom, leave it inside the classroom. Okay? So, para hindi kayo mauwi sa away-away. Okay? So, iwasan natin yon. So, kung may personal reason, ay may personal opinion sa ating discussion at you do not agree. Okay? So, please respect others. Ayan, meron kasi tayong mga subject in the near future kayo, yung public finance that is politically in nature, kaya talagang you have to vote. Okay, sa aking klase kasi pinagbobotohan ko sila. Then they have to to say what they are sentiments or their comment. Okay, so kung meron man na matamaan na against, okay, so please leave it inside the classroom. Ayan ha. So para hindi tayo mag-away-away. Marami pa kayong journey na tatahakin. May research pa kayo at saka feasibility study in third year. Ayan, so meron bang question, clarification, or violent reaction, objection? Ayan, okay? So, I hope everyone is keep informed and notified. So, as well as yung ating mga classmates na not yet entering our class due to their academic deficiency. Okay? So, mukha lang siyang mahigpit, pero actually, kapag nasanay na kayo, is madali na lang yan. Okay? Na mag-comply dyan sa mga requirements. Ayan, so this is not for me. Okay? So, additionally pala, during F2F naman, classes, is one of my rules is that kapag nag-e-exam, is dapat no erasure. Okay? So, ayaw ko ng maraming erasure sa exam answer sheet. Okay? Most of the time naman, dinidictate ko lang naman yung question or sinusulat sa board, then susulat niyo na siya sa yellow paper. Okay? So, avoid erasure or altering any letters or word. So, that is considered as erasure sa akin. So, avoid too much or excessive use of scratch paper. Also, okay? So, especially kapag yung scratch paper nyo is the brand new paper, tapos gagawin nyo lang scratch. I advise na scratch paper will be yung may mga print sa likod, tapos the other side will be your scratch. Okay? So, at that time, kahit ilan yung gamitin nyo, pwede. because that is considered as scratch. Okay, wag lang excessive, extravagant na scratch. Okay, maliwanag yun? Paki-thumbs up nga po. Mukhang di maliwanag. Ayan. So, kaya kung tatanungin niyo yung mga previous classes ko na nahawakan, sanay sila ng walang scratch at walang erasure sa exam. Okay? Mostly naman kapag nagpapa-exam ako is either objective type, baka tanong nyo, objective type or subjective type, yung mga essay. Okay? Pero sa essay, mas mahirap actually. So, I check those words and how you use those words in your essay, without which you will not incur any points. Okay? So that is my classroom rules. So pumasok lagi ng on time kapag F to F kasi nandun ako ng on time. Nagdi-dismiss ako ng 30 minutes before the end of the time natin. Okay? Doon ako nagdi-dismiss ng maaga. Pero dapat on time kayo papasok. Okay? So you have to anticipate how are you going to travel in case man na yung subject ko yung first subject nyo for the day. Okay? So maliwanag yun ha. Please come on time. So kayo ay allowed lang to absent for 3. Okay? 3 absences and automatic withdraw na kayo or drop. Okay? Maliwanag yun? Paki-thumbs up nga po. Paki-thumbs up. Ayan. At least maliwanag tayo. Okay? Then, ano pa ba? May question? Clarification? F2F class, clean desk policy. Ako, no gadget on your table, only notebook kapag discussion and pen. Then kapag nagwi-quiz na, only pen and the yellow paper. Yes, Margie.
Sir, ask ko lang po if required po sa inyo during end of semester magpasa ng mga notes or notebooks po.
No, hindi ko na nire-require yun. So kasi kayo naman yung magbe-benefit whether you are jotting down notes or not. Okay, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, I will not give any PowerPoint presentation or whatsoever. Pag nagdi-discuss ako is actually nagdi-discuss ako using the whiteboard. Okay, so nagsusulat ako. Then nag-explain. So it is for you to jot down notes. So kung hindi kayo nagja-jot down, hindi ko naman siya kukunin at the end of the sem. Even your quizzes. After natin mag-quiz, chine-checkan agad natin except for mga essay. So mga objective type, automatic check yan after matapos yung ating class, tapos distribute, kinukuha ko lang ay yung score. So that you know your standing. Okay? So para alam nyo na kaagad kung ano yung magiging grades nyo. So transparency. Tapos yung essay, kapag natapos ko na siyang checkan, ibinabalik ko rin immediately sa mga student. So, ayoko kasi ng marami ding papel. Okay? So that you can actually check within yourself kung what effort, how much effort do I have to do para makapasa. Okay, so in matters of grading, maybe ito yung hinihintay nyo, 70-30 pa rin tayo. 70% for those class standing, including quizzes, activities, attendance, and everything that we are doing, okay, inside the classroom and online. So yung 30% is your midterms and finals. So it is not sufficient that you only attend during the midterms and finals kasi that is only 30%. So bago ka pa maka 30%, na-drop ka na. Okay? Kasi nga you have only 3 absences, okay, para ma-drop or ma-withdraw. Okay? So bago ka pa maka-attend ng midterm of finals, na-drop ka na. Okay? Maliwanag ang ating mga rules and regulations. Paki-thumbs up nga po. Paki-thumbs up. Ayan. Okay. So, at least maliwanag tayo. So, for clarifications, our schedule is Monday, 10:30 to 1:30. Okay? Para sa information ng lahat. Hindi 11, hindi 12, kundi 10:30 to 1:30. Ayan. So, para alam natin. Okay? Our schedule usually is alternate. Yung modality natin is dapat ngayon is online talaga tayo kasi last week is kasabay nyo is second year and fourth year. Okay? So, ngayon is online talaga kahit graduation week. Next week tayo ay face-to-face. Every other week. Ayan. Okay? So next is, ito yung mga topics naman. Okay? Please uh, jot down yung mga topics na ating i-discuss during the semester. Okay? Bibigyan ko naman kayo ng syllabus. But actually, to give you advance notice of what are the topics to be discussed. Number one, topic one is financial planning. So ano ba yung mga nasa financial planning? Siyempre, nandito yung life cycle of financial planning, yung personal financial planning. Okay? So pagdating naman kasi sa finances, I know na some of us ay hindi ganun kadali madaya, di ba? Okay? So kung personal money mo yung binibilang at ina-account, ayan. So I believe na talagang magkakaroon ka ng great interest. Advantages of financial planning, personal financial planning process, and financial problems and difficulties and step to overcome. Okay? So, nandun tayo sa focus doon sa ating individuality sa financial planning. Next, ang ating topic 2 is money management strategy. Okay? So, paano ba natin? Ano ba yung mga topics to be discussed under this money management strategy? So, define natin what is money management and major money management activities, organizing personal financial documents, creating personal financial statements, and creating and implementing a budget. So, kayo ba, nagbabudget ba kayo? Strictly, religiously nyo bang sinusunod yung inyong budget? So, dapat ito lang yung food ko, 50 pesos. Pag meron kaming F to F class, 50 pesos para sa pamasahe or nag-exceed kayo doon. Okay? So, meron din ako mga piniprescribe, kaso medyo matrabaho on the part of the person kung ano ba yung personal financial document. So, may mga Excel, okay, na everyday. Actually, everyday mo na siyang minomonitor para siyang financial diary. Ayan. And the module 3 or the topic 3 is liquidity management. So, categories of personal financial liquidity needs. Personal liquidity ratio, cash management techniques, yun yung ating mga i-discuss under ng liquidity management. Okay? Next is topic 4 is personal consumer credit. Ayan. Personal credit define. Ayan. Kung meron kayong mga existing na credit card o kayo ay supplementary ng inyong mga parent or kapatid, kaya kayo nagkaroon ng credit card. Next is characteristic of personal credit, online cash loans, common credit card problems and solutions, and guide to managing loan responsibly. Ayan, so kasi kaya natin to dinidiscuss is that in the near future, when you are already earning your money, okay? So dapat ma-manage nyo. Kasi ito yung mga source of dispute, personal dispute. Next is topic 5 is long-term liabilities management. Then yung major household purchases. Ayan, mga long-term. Pag sinabi natin long-term liability is yung mga kapag nag-acquire ka ng mga property plant and equipment, personal property plant and equipment sa bahay nyo, land, kung yan ay installment basis, okay? O mga car, automobiles, ayan. The cost of owning and operating an automobile, yun yung ating i-discuss sa long-term liabilities management. Okay? So, itong long-term liability management kasi may mga computation niya ng mga amortization and how are you going to save. Okay? So, sa mga credit, yung personal credit, consumer credit as well, kapag ikaw ay working na, ayan, so paano ka ba makakatipid doon sa interest of your loan? Okay? So, dapat ba siyang bayaran mo in staggered basis or pwede mo siyang bayaran dapat one time. Okay? So, yung mga comparative benefit na may incur mo if you pay in cash or if you pay in installment basis. Okay? Next is then that will be the coverage of our midterm examination from topic 1 to topic 5. Ayan. So madali lang yang mga yan. Okay? So i-apply natin yan in your uh, daily lives para at least ma-appreciate nyo, okay? Or ma-manifest nyo yung mga theories behind those topics. Next is ang module 6 is long term. Okay, naulit lang, sorry. Dapat ay continuation rather, okay, sa long term liabilities management. So, doon sa una na sakop ng midterm is that major household purchase and the cost of owning and operating an automobile. So dito naman sa coverage ng final is yung housing, the cost of the shelter, rent or buy. Ayan, so pwede mong i-determine cost and benefit analysis whether you are going to rent or you are going to buy or rent to own. The real estate transaction and financing the purchase. Okay, so mangungutang ka dun sa mga bank. Next is investment planning. Ito medyo malawak yung sakop ng investment. The planning system for asset allocation, financial market and institutions, learning the investment environment, goals and investment alternatives, evaluating specific investment consideration. So maybe some of you already venturing investment. Okay, so para kumita. Next is, syempre, kung meron tayong mga investment, hindi naman tayo guaranteed that we are going to earn from our investment or yung tinatawag na return of investment. Rather, meron yung mga risk, okay, associated, at saka yung how are we going to compute the return of investment or ROI. Okay? What are the rewards of diversifications? We are not putting our money in one basket. Rather, we are distributing it, okay, to the possible na pwede tayong magkaroon ng return of investment. Applying a risk return model, employing portfolio management principle. Ito kasi yung mahalaga. Okay? So yung paggawa ng portfolio sa iyong mga investment. Implementing portfolio management decisions, reviewing and updating the portfolio. Okay? So hindi lang dapat tayo invest ng invest. Rather, dapat nagkakaroon tayo ng portfolio. Okay? Management. Para malaman natin kung saan ba yung history. Okay? Para malaman natin yung the history of our transaction for the past. Okay? And saan ba tayo ililid nito. Okay? Next is, ano na ba? Investing for the future, growing your financial resources. That is topic 8. So if you are willing to invest in stocks or bonds, if you have surplus of fund, okay? Surplus of funds, yan, return and risk characteristic of stock and bonds. Mutual funds and other pooling arrangement. So pwedeng dito pumasok yung mga individual na gustong mag-invest, yung mga high yield interest savings, return and risk characteristic. Okay, so meron din siya. Despite na this is a short-term investment, yung mutual fund, meron pa rin siyang associated risk. Then other investment vehicles. So napakarami na ngayon ng other investment vehicles. Okay, typical example is yung mga cryptocurrency, 'di ba? Kaso unsafe. Next is topic 9 is protecting your wealth. So after you have incurred, ayan, nakapag-plan ka, financial planning, nagkaroon ka ng investment, okay? Nagkaroon ka ng liabilities. So dapat you have to protect your wealth if you incur. Okay? So property and liability insurance, protecting your lifestyle and your asset. Okay? So dito na papasok yung mga insurance, life insurance, health and disability income insurance, retirement planning at saka estate planning. Okay? So in case man na marami na kayong mga ari-arian, okay, whether real or personal properties, ayan, kailangan natin siyang i-protect at malaman kung kanino na siya iiwan. Okay? Then, last topic is financial planning practice. Okay? This is more on your personal. Okay, may question po ba, clarification sa ating mga topic to be discussed? Okay, so this dates is I think October, the week of 20, October 20, during that period. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. So that is the midterm exam. So by next meeting, we will be tackling 3 topics: financial planning, money management strategy, and liquidity management. Okay, so mabilis lang natin yung madi-discuss in detail. Okay, may question po ba, clarification or reaction? Ayan. So I think this is the end of my module. Okay? So wala namang question. Nakuha ba ang ating mga yes po, Christine?
Sir, question ko lang po, yung plus points po na proof of savings, sir, saan po namin isi-send yun?
Every F2F classes natin, pakita nyo lang sa akin. Kasi para safe ang data. Baka kasi mamaya mag-leak kapag sinesend nyo. Okay? Yes? Sino pang may tanong? Yes, Julia? And the cat?
Sir, di ba po sabi niyo magse-send ng savings, may kada pakita ng savings may points. Paano po pagka ang sini-savings is isang beses lang pero madami. Pero medyo naman.
Baka maano yan? Anong tawag doon? What do you call the term na kukunin na ng bangko? Ano ba siya? Time deposit? Time
Hindi
deposit.
po, lang, savings lang po. Kasi ang
Pero hindi ka naglalagay, nagde-deposit for additional savings. Hindi siya pwedeng depositohan.
ano po, sir?
I mean, hindi mo siya pwedeng dagdagan. Magde-deposit
Hindi
ka
po,
ulit.
kumbaga tinatanong ko lang po kasi kunyari mas malaki yung points kapagka maraming beses sa isang buwan nagpapakita ng proof. Eh di hindi ko siya iiisahan.
Dapat siya, okay? Every face-to-face at cover siya ng period na yon na nag-deposit ka. Okay?
May amount po ba?
Wala naman.
Sige
Walang
po.
required. This is to encourage you to save, but do not compel you. Okay? So, yung mga may extra fund, ayan, pwede kayong mag-save. Then, yung mga mas maraming fund, pwede kayong mag-invest. Okay? May question pa? Parang kanina may nagtatanong pa. Yes, Gandol.
Sir, yung proof po na ipapakita, yung mismong like yung bank book po or okay lang po kahit yung picture po?
Yung bank book mismo. Okay, pakita nyo sa akin.
Okay.
Huwag nyo nang
Thank you.
picture at isend sa akin kasi may mga information that are too sensitive to share. Yes, Olivario.
Sir, linawin ko lang po yung modality next week. Yung first subject po kasi namin is online lang daw po and magkasunod po yung time namin for first period and second period po.
Ano ba kayo, mga second year na? Yung
Tapos
subject
yung
nyo is,
next subject, yung subject niyo po is 10:30 to 1:30.
I mean lahat kayo second year. Yung mga tinitake yung subject pang second year din. Tama ba? So dapat
Yes
siya,
po, sir.
pero hindi siya sa department natin na subject, sa ibang department. Tama ba? Hindi siya under ng finance. Halimbawa, sa CBA na subject siya, kaya siya online. Ganun ba ang status nung iba?
Sir, financial management po yung first subject po namin. Financial management po, sir.
Okay. So, dapat pang second year yon. So, dapat ano siya, face-to-face next week. Sino teacher? Sino teacher? Kung financial management yan, next week at pang second year siya. So, dapat face-to-face yon. Okay? So, meron tayo kasing minimum na 6 face-to-face. Actually, the recommendation of the Vice President for Academic Affairs is full face-to-face na dapat tayo. Kaso, late na nilang in-announce. Ngayong September lang. Nag-start na tayo. Kailan ba tayo nag-start? Ngayon din September. Ngayong middle of the September lang nila in-announce. Kaya, nag-retract na huwag ng i-apply muna yan. Next sem na lang. So, supposedly, dapat full face-to-face na tayo. Wala nang online. Yun ang per meeting. Okay? So, in that case, wala akong magagawa because our schedule is strictly flat na tayo ay face-to-face. Kasi during our face-to-face, maybe may magche-check, ayan, si Doc Ria, kung talagang nagkakandak tayo ng face-to-face classes. Okay? Miss Elaine, so sa akin, tingnan yung mabuting schedule. If baka naman mali ako, so inform me. Pero as per the schedule na nakita ko is tayo ay online ngayon, next meeting ay face-to-face. Okay? So, kindly check it, double it.
Noted.
Ayan. Okay, thank you. May question pa ba? Clarification or reaction? Violent reaction? Okay lang? I acknowledge. Yes, Julia.
Sir, last na po, question po siya ni Maria. Kung pwede daw po online banking yung ipapakita na savings. Parang sa online banking ita-transfer.
Okay lang, basta kita yung name. Kung wala siyang, passbook. Okay? So, basta kita yung name at saka basta yung name na lang.
Sige. Thank you po.
Okay? May question pa ba? Clarification? Reaction? Ayan, so kung wala na, i-dismiss ko na kayo. And see you next meeting. Please study our lesson for next meeting para at least you can cope with the discussion. Okay, madalas ako magpa-recite ha. Ang hindi nakakasagot, nakatayo maghapon. During the 3-hour period. Okay? So dapat may masasabi kayo. I do not expect my students not coming prepared to my class. Okay? Since this is personal finance, perhaps you can share something on your financial progress or financial. Yes po, Princess. Nakatakot naman to si
Surprise po ba? Nagpapa-surprise quiz po ba kayo?
Hindi naman surprise. I-announce ko naman. Actually ngayon, i-announce ko na nagpapaquiz ako every meeting. Okay? So this is an announced quiz every meeting. So hindi ko na siya uulitin every meeting. Okay? So it's no longer a surprise kasi sinabi ko na ngayon. Okay? Tama ba?
Sir,
Tama ba ang assumption? Sinabi ko na ngayon, hindi na siya surprise. Ayan, paki-open po ng mga camera. Also pala, so sabi sa amin ng aming departments, as one of the, safe space is that correct me if my pronunciation to you is wrong. Okay? So hindi naman ako magagalit nun. Safe space lang tayo. So regardless kung ano man ang susuotin nyo kapag pumasok kayo sa class, basta pinayagan kayo ng guard na pumasok, okay sa akin yun. Kahit naka-bikini, swimsuit, two-piece, one-piece pa kayo. Basta pinapasok kayo ng guard, it's alright with me kasi nakapasok kayo. Okay, ang bawal lang sa akin is magdala ng alak, illegal drugs, and anything. Okay? So, kapag nakuha ko, actually, pag nahuli kayo na may dalang ganon is mga baril, deadly weapon, Ayan, so I hope wala naman, di ba? Wala namang magdadala ng mga ganon. Okay, so I discourage. Kasi kapag nahuli kayo, makukulong kayo agad. Kahit itananim lang sa inyo yun. Okay? So please open the camera po. Ayan. So nice to meet you all. Baka kasi kayo ay naging estudyante ko na before. Parang may mga naging estudyante ako dito before. Okay? So ayan, please smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ayan, beautiful. Okay. So kung wala na kayong question, clarification, see you next meeting, our face-to-face classes sa fifth floor. Bring your water, your fan, and whatsoever refreshment that you can bring. Okay? So pwede na tayo mag-leave and have a great